Here's my dog Daisy. She's very playful. Daisy! Daisy! Hi! Say hi! Daisy! Daisy! Where are you going? Want to play? She loves to play. Daisy! Okay. Okay. Oh! You like camera, do you? Yeah. I'm going to hockey tonight. I'm so excited. My first practice. Alright. So this, I'm going to throw it to her. Look, she's already jumping at it. Alright. Bring it back, Daisy. Daisy! Where are you going to? Yeah. Come here. Hey, Dick. I'm so excited. Say hi. Ow! Ow! Daisy! 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 She's so cute, ain't she? I'm going to show you all my hockey gear because I'm bored. Here's my skates. Right there. Oh, Daisy likes to have fun too. Hey, not doing on the hockey skates. Here's my pads. Here's my hockey pants. It's very big. Here's another pad. There's my chest guard. There's my stinky gloves. Still smells after all that washing. Here's my neck guard. Shin pads. My socks go over my shin pads. By the way, shin pads cover your knee, just in case you didn't know. Anyways, another elbow pad. My helmet. Ooh, I gotta put that on. Ow. My glasses fell off. And another shin pad.